Your Excellency, just like my Deputy Director of Public Relations stated, last month there was a change of baton across formations in the Nigerian Army, and I was a beneficiary of that posting and posted to 6th Division as the General Officer Commanding. I took over formally on the 24th of January from my predecessor, who has been reassigned to Abuja. My visit here this afternoon is customary in the military, and I believe in other organizations too, that when you assume command, you pay courtesy visits to members, political masters, traditional rulers, and other stakeholders within your area of responsibility. And being the chief host of 6th Division, I deem it very necessary to come here this afternoon to formally introduce myself to you, even though it's about getting to 3 weeks that I took over. But I've been out of the state. I've been to Abuja twice for a conference and a seminar. That's why I've been unable to come before now. Like I stated, it is just to come and formally introduce myself to you as the new General Officer Commanding 6th Division. The division, as you are aware, superintends over the entire South region, less Cross River State and Edo State, even though I have deployment in some local governments in Edo State. So I've tried also to see our colleagues in Bayelsa, Delta, and hopefully next week I will be in Akwa Ibom. But like I said, I think it was also based on your own commitment that I was unable to see you the very first week I took over. But it is not too late. That's why I've been here this afternoon to formally introduce myself to you, and also to thank you for the enabling environment that you have given to the Army to operate in the state, and to see that the task of the division is very easy. It's simple and straight to protection of critical national infrastructure in the maritime and the oil domain, and also to ensure security in the South region. That I pledge that will give it our utmost attention to ensure that everything is done as expected. So I want to thank you for finding time out of your tight schedule to receive us this afternoon. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Major General Emmanuel Ejim-Emekah, and your entourage, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me officially welcome you to Rivers State, the treasure base of the nation. Rivers State, as you know, is one of the states that is housing the economic strength of Nigeria. And we're saddled with a lot of responsibility, protecting critical national infrastructure. Not just the protection, but also producing what enables this country, Nigeria, to effectively function as a nation. So this division is a very important division because they are saddled with a lot of responsibility in terms of protecting the national assets. And you can't protect the national assets without ensuring that there is peace in the state. I'm really happy that you're here to do, it's a ritual. It's nothing very special. It's nothing that coming here to see me does not mean that we have any special relationship. It's a normal thing that the duty requires. I need to say this so that maybe other persons can also understand. We have received the Chief of Army Staff, very unfortunately, the one that passed on. He came here for an assignment and he visited us. But you won't believe that the outgone GOC did not come here for one day to come and see us, at least, not for anything, but to assure us that, look, we have a common interest and we're going to work together. Definitely, we're not going to ask him to do anything that is unprofessional, but to have this working relationship. Because you need us to succeed, and we also need you to succeed. So I'm happy that you're coming here to, we've met, not once, not twice, but this is an official thing for everyone to understand that there is a change in authority, and this is the new person in charge of the command. So I appreciate this honor that you've come to give to our government. And I assure you that whatever it is within our power that we can do to make sure that you succeed as the GOC of the 6th Division, we will do for you within our power. Let me use this medium to also thank other officers that are with you here. A good number of them have been working, supporting us behind, ensuring that there is peace and tranquility in the state, more especially from the communities where we're having one issue or another. So I want to thank you for all you've been doing for us behind. And finally, to say that our task today is becoming very, very, I wouldn't say too difficult, but gradually becoming complicated because of the set of people that have chosen to become problem to this country. Issues of pipeline vandalization, destruction of gas line, and also the worst part of it, some persons who have decided to engineer community crisis in most areas of oil operation. So please, while you're taking that responsibility as part of your assignment, wherever we need to come in, endeavor to reach us so that we can also apply our own mechanism. Because when it comes to issue of chieftaincy, it is within our power. And when it comes to issue of community relationship, it's also within our power. So we can join hands together to bring peace in those areas so that operations can also flow smoothly. Let me, on this note, welcome you and thank you. Assure you the best hospitality of River State. We have very wonderful cuisines here. If you're not used to it, I believe that the Commander 6 Division has been here for a while, so he can introduce you to what we can do here. All the delegacies. Thank you, and may God bless every one of us.